California. Today we are going to treat it. Today is Monday, 14th April 2025. This is our 1557th case. We want to record the voice. What is your problem, brother?
My voice is look like a female voice.
Okay. How long you are having?
I'm having side.
Any doctor you have seen?
No, I haven't.
Where you are from?
I'm from Howard.
Yes, your epigram is normal. Say E. Vocal cords are normal, but your vocal cord is E. Small, that's all. E. Breathe. Procedure is over. சின்ன பயிற்சி சொல்லி கொடுத்தாலே எல்லாமே சரியா போகும். நிதானமா இருங்க, எச்ச பிடிக்கிறீங்க, வாயை மூடுங்க, ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.